Muirrat means phyllo dough filled with cheese, and they're shaped as triangles. So again, I'm going to take my butter. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the cheese filling for each. I place it at the end. You want to make sure your cheese filling is dry. And you want to mound it up because that will make your pastry higher. You take the one end, bring it all the way over to the opposite end, then go again to the opposite end and keep turning it, and it becomes a triangle shape. Once again, you want to take the one end, bring it up to the opposite end, then fold it back again to the other side, and you'll see that it's formed a triangle. Keep folding, becomes a triangle all the way until you get to the end. One more time. You can see that I've made a mountain of the cheese. That will make the muirrat very, very thick and puffy. Bring it to the opposite end, this end, keep folding, brush the top,